Welcome to VI Tech Explore, a channel dedicated to making the world of technology accessible to the visually challenged community. I'm your host, and I'm passionate about empowering individuals with visual impairments to embrace the latest innovations and digital advancements. Join me as we explore cutting-edge assistive technologies and adaptive software that empower the visually challenged community to navigate the digital world with confidence. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a low-vision user, or simply seeking to understand the unique experiences of our community, VI Tech Explore is here to guide you. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming content. Together, let's navigate the digital world with confidence and limitless possibilities.
Hi everyone, welcome again to AI Tech Explorer YouTube channel. So as I said in previous tutorial, if I have read or if I get any articles, then I will make a tutorial in English language. So otherwise I will not make any tutorials in the English language, and I will make a tutorial in my native language. But if anyone have request any previous tutorial which I have made in my native language, please make this tutorial in English, or can you make a tutorial, can you make this tutorial in English language also? So if someone have request, then I will definitely make a tutorial, make the same tutorial which I have make it previously in my native language in English language as well. Why I take this decision? Because it's quite difficult for me to make the same videos every time in dual language, means that in two languages. So but do not worry, if you want any tutorial which I have make in my native language in English, do not be hesitant to ask me. Just think me as your friend, so then you will be not hesitate to ask me. Okay, please note this secret. Alright. Well, now I will show you another method on how you can clean up or how you can delete your WhatsApp medias which has been stored in your mobile. So this time I will not show you through WhatsApp, but I will show you through Google Photos app. What? Yes, definitely. Your WhatsApp medias definitely will be also will be saved on your Google Photos app, because it's also considered as one of your storage client of your mobile. So basically this tutorial is for Android user. So yeah.
Updates tab. Community. Updates tab. Back button. Hide view. Pause button.
Alright.
Home button. System launcher.
Okay, this tutorial is basically for Android user, but if you need this tutorial for iPhone user, you definitely can let me know and I will try to make it. I will try to arrange for it, but if I not be able, then I will apologize for that. Alright, so now I will show you through Google Photos. So pretty sure that all the Android mobiles will have a Google Photos app, like Oppo, Vivo, Realme, Redmi, and etc. Because this Android mobile usually will under Google, so definitely it will have a Google Photos app by default. So now, where the WhatsApp medias will be located. So let me show you.
ENG bulletin. Full. System launcher.
So let me find out my Google Photos.
L. F. Page. P. Up. Photo. File. Page 2. Page 3. Full. Table E. It will. Photo. Me. Photos.
Here you go.
Photos.
Click on it, and then you will find 3 tabs here. If you haven't updated your Google Photos, kindly do that, because it's also will ask to do that to get the latest features.
Search button. Collection. Memories button. Collections button.
Okay, this in if you're using old update of Google Photos, it will show library, but in latest update it will show as collection.
Memories button. Photos button selected.
Okay, these are the 3 tabs which have here, and it has been selected by default under the Photos tab. We need to click on collections now.
Collections button. Collections.
Right, next it will show you all the folders which have here. It depends on your medias that you have on your whole mobile. Okay,
Search button.
here I would like to tell you, sometimes the WhatsApp folder will not appear here because it has been hide. So do not worry if you don't find it. I will tell you the solution which you can delete your WhatsApp medias from your internal storage in next tutorial. So let me also check with you that my WhatsApp folder have in this Google Photo app or not. Come on.
Favorites. Trash.
If don't have, I will tell you verbally. If I don't have the folder, I will tell you verbally. The action that you should do if you have the WhatsApp folder on your Google Photos app.
Screenshots. Archive. Camera 3 items. Download 61 items.
Okay, why it's show like that? Like this means this total of the items that I have under each folders.
Audio _ video 74. Video 307. Instagram 207. Laptop cooler space. Laptop. Apple ammo. 0 dash. Videos. Movies. Video. Bluetooth 1. Video. Movies 1. Favorites. Screenshot. Videos. Recently. Art. Logged. Track. Photos. Memory. Collection. Search button. Movies 1. Favorites. Movies 1.
Okay, my WhatsApp folder is not showing. So what you can do, if you find your WhatsApp folder under this Google Photos app, what you should do, click on it and select all the items according to your need. Means that which you don't need, you select the items which you don't need and click on move to trash or delete, and then it will come to the trash folder.
Video 300. Audio. Download 60. Camera. Archive. Screenshot. Trash.
Here.
Trash.
And what you need to do, when you come to the trash folder, you need to select all the items under this trash and click on delete button, and then it will ask for the confirmation that really you want to delete it, and if yes means click on delete, if no means click on cancel. So that's it.
Vote. System launch.
Yeah, that's all for today's tutorial. Do not worry if the WhatsApp folder not showing on your Google Photos app. As I promised, I will show you the next step which you can delete your WhatsApp folder from your internal storage, or which you can delete by your WhatsApp media from your internal storage in next video. Stay tuned.